Imagine a giant pot brimming with a delicious, diverse stew. A stew that is simmering with a mix of various ingredients, each adding a distinct flavor, making the stew richer and more robust. Now, substitute that pot of stew with mutual funds and the ingredients with different investment avenues like stocks, bonds, and assets. Welcome to the captivating world of mutual funds. Mutual funds are like our pot of stew. A fund manager, akin to the master chef, expertly combines a variety of financial ingredients to create a potent investment concoction. This concoction is then divided into units, and these units are what you buy when you invest in a mutual fund. So, why should you consider this investment stew? Just like the diverse ingredients contribute to a balanced and nutritious stew, the assortment of investments in a mutual fund contributes to a balanced and potentially profitable portfolio. It allows you to diversify your investments and spread your risks. You may wonder, how do I start my mutual fund investment journey? The answer is simple. It begins with understanding your financial goals and risk appetite. Are you saving for a vacation, a new home, or perhaps your retirement? Once you have a clear picture, you can select the type of mutual fund that aligns best with your goals. If you're a beginner, consider starting with a low-risk fund like a debt fund. As you become more comfortable and your financial goals evolve, you can slowly venture into equity funds, balanced funds, and so on. Are you ready to dip your toes into the world of mutual funds? Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and in the case of mutual funds, that step is as simple as choosing the right fund that aligns with your financial goals and risk appetite. Just like the master chef carefully selects the ingredients for his stew, take your time to understand and select the best mutual funds for your portfolio. Soon, you'll see your investment stew simmering with potential and profitability. Don't wait. Take that first step. Start your mutual fund investment journey today. In the investment world, there's no time like the present to start brewing your pot of financial success. Always remember, mutual funds are subject to market risks, so always read the scheme-related documents carefully before investing. Happy investing!